Bonjour! Today I love to share one of the most treasured recipes from my childhood. We call it the Mamoon. It's my mama's nickname actually. This is not just a hot sauce, it's a family tradition. You see, I grew up in part on the beautiful island of Réunion in the Indian Ocean. The island is a wonderful blend of African, Indian, Asian, and French cultures. And the food reflects all of these influences. Today I'm making my adapted version with fresh jalapeno. For 1 full cup of peppers, I add 2 garlic cloves and 1.5 teaspoons of coarse sea salt. Mamoon was always on our table. Every meal felt incomplete without it. Family and friends still ask me to make it, and every jar disappears so quickly. I toast everything until it's finally chopped. Not completely smooth, just enough to keep a little texture. A little tip, I actually keep this little food processor just for making mamoon. The smell loves to stay behind. When it's ready, transfer everything into a clean jar, then cover it with a generous layer of a beautiful olive oil. Now for the traditional mamoon. This version is made with tiny bird eye chilies, the Asian chili. They are absolutely delicious and seriously spicy. Definitely wear a glove. Trust me, I've learned that lesson. The process is exactly the same. And I cut the little tiny chilies with the scissors. So much easier. So we have the peppers. It's pretty much also 1 cup. We have the garlic. I chop it in small pieces, easier after. And the salt. And a few pulses. Then olive oil. Simple ingredients that come together to create something unforgettable. My favorite way to enjoy it? My fresh sourdough and a little butter and a generous spoonful of lemon. Simple, perfect. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this little taste of my childhood inspire you to make your own jar. And maybe one day it will become part of your family tradition too. Bon appétit!